Along with positive improvements in people's livelihoods, Vietnam is also strengthening cyber safety in cyberspace. Zalo, which has around 80 million users in Vietnam, has updated its account verification process, replacing ID document uploads with biometric authentication. Under the new method, users verify their accounts through facial and voice recognition via an automated video call, instead of submitting images of citizens' ID cards and portrait photos. The change is intended to comply with the law on personal data protection, which took effect on January 1st, and prohibits social media platforms from requiring users to upload images of personal identification documents for verification. Meanwhile, Facebook has not yet made a similar adjustment and continues to request ID documents for account verification.